Go, Elsie, go, go. Oh yeah, woo! Come on.
Move, Brayden, your head's in the way.
Ooh, it's Hamster Olympics. Look at
Brayden,
that.
you better go. Brayden, you better go.
That's okay.
Before she like runs all over the place. I don't want her in my room though.
Whoa, Elsie.
Okay, bring her up here close. The champ. Where's the champ? Oh, too close. That's too close.
You should like put a camera there and see how many times.